Hello everybody, and welcome to Royal Kennels. We have the pups playing in the kennel, pre-ear cropping. Next step from here will be vet health certificates, preparing them for shipping. Inside the clip, you'll see the insides of that you normally don't see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for all our uploads. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. We're now headed to the vet. The puppy's ears have been cropped. They're both doing great. Now it's time to get the health certificates. Both pups have been checked out. I have them loaded in the truck. Now I'm going back and take care of a few documents, and they'll be ready to head to their forever home. All right, so me and my little man, my road dog, we headed to the bank. We going to pick up $800. We shipping out the 2 puppies. That's $400 per puppy. So it's just a step to it. Come back from the vet, put the puppies back in the kennel. The ground shipper is in Lafayette, so I'm about to run to the vet, get him some cash, and we'll be right back. What? All right. So after we got the cash, Branson got his sucker. I guess Daddy got one too. What's that, man? What is it? That's a sucker. Sucker? Alright, y'all. So the shipper has made it. I mean, it's very nicely set up, as you can see. For all y'all shipping needs, make sure y'all give them a call. This is about his 4th time shipping with me and Uncle Merle.
Daddy. So what's his name?
Triple H Transport. Tell him bye, Branson.
Does he have the puppy?
He surely does. Thank you so much, my love.